everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Walmart haul. A lot of you guys are super excited. It is almost beginning to be the end of the month already. I know it's really sad to think of, but a lot of you guys have been telling me you've hit level 3 and you've never hit before, or you hit level 4 that you've never hit before, and I'm super excited to share you guys with the deals. Check and see if you guys have any bonuses. I just did my Target haul and I hit level 4 and I finished with that transaction and I got a bonus. So I just wanted to show you guys some Walmart deals because some of you guys prefer to shop at Walmart over Target. But let's dig in so I can show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the DesignerJen oil-free acne wash. This was $4.77. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon. You guys will end up paying just $2.77 for this, but then you can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 77 cents. So that's a great deal if you guys are brand loyal to certain products. Now the next deal I got is this Febreze in wash. Now I was searching everywhere for it at the store. It was like way up on the top shelf, and I'm pretty tall, but I still couldn't see it. And then I saw one in overstock, so I grabbed that one, and then I found the ones on the shelf. So this is $8.84. You guys can actually go to FebrezeInWash.com. So there's a deal right here. And you guys can get a $4 off coupon for your next purchase. So that's where the coupon is that I got it. So you guys would pay $4.84, but then you can submit a $3 rebate on either Savings Star or Checko 51. My Checko 51 had it. I know some Savings Star deals have it, but I couldn't get both. They're like so close to each other, it's hard to do one or the other. But you guys would end up getting this for $1.84, which I think is a great thing. It's something new to try, and it's Febreze, so $1.84. Great deal. I got this Country Crock salted butter. Now I've gotten this stuff before. I've used this stuff before. So this was $1.98 at my store. You guys want to use that 50-cent off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying $1.48 for this. But then my Ibotta had a $1 rebate. Plus there is either a deal on Savings Star or Checko 51 for a 75-cent rebate. It just depends on where you upload it from. So this ends up becoming a 27-cent moneymaker. Can't go wrong with free butter, especially when you want to bake some cookies. I did get one deal, but my coupon did not work, so I'm like, I don't want it, so they took that off. I ended up getting, now I think this is a Suave Silver. I don't know exactly what's going on. My receipt was a little bit hard to read, so when I submitted my receipt for Fetch Rewards, it didn't catch it, which is not a big deal. So this was $1.98. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would just pay 98 cents. But then when you guys submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, anything with the Suave name you guys get points for. But you're supposed to get a $1.50 points back, which is 1,500 points, which comes out to be, this comes out to be a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, there's two different types of coupons you could use. It's kind of confusing, plus this is kind of confusing. But Fetch Rewards, if you guys haven't joined it, you guys click my referral link. You guys will get 2,000 points when you join. That's equivalent to $2, and you guys can actually get your first gift card at $3. I kind of saved mine up, but if you guys join, you guys get stuff. And I just scan every single receipt from Walmart, Target, Walgreens, and CVS, and every receipt I usually scan, I get 25 points for those receipts. And then if you buy certain brand items, then you get bonus points. So anytime you guys go grocery shopping, do that stuff too. But just letting you guys know, that's a great deal. I ended up getting the Listerine Ultra Care plaque, or, you know, pick, floss, whatever. This was $1.97. There is a $1 off coupon that you guys can print from healthyessentials.com. You guys would just pay 97 cents for this. But then you guys will get a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just a 3-cent moneymaker. So can't go wrong with free. I've gotten a couple of these, but I have not used them yet. So we got that. The next deal I'm so excited about is the Gain fabric softener. I love getting this fabric softener. I use this all the time. So these are $2.97. We just got those $2 off coupons in the red plum. You guys would end up paying 97 cents for this. You can't go wrong with 97 cents fabric softener. The coupon is a limit of 2, so I bought 2 of them, and I'm going to be using those coupons like crazy because I absolutely love getting fabric softener. I have so much laundry detergent and not enough fabric softener, so definitely do that deal and stock up if you guys can. Just saying. The next deal I got is this Dove shower foam. I got the shea butter with warm vanilla. I've been wanting to get one of these for like the longest time, but I haven't. It says you can get more than 250 pumps out of every bottle. Okay, look at that. So this was $5.94. There is a $1.50 off coupon that we just got this past Sunday's Red Plum. You guys would end up paying $4.50 for this, but then there's a deal on Ibotta for $1.50. And then you guys can also submit your receipt for Fetch Rewards. You should get points. Like, again, my receipt was really hard, so usually it catches it pretty easy, but this time I didn't. I had to submit a problem, and then they have to look at it. So, but with before Fetch Rewards, this comes out to be $2.94. Wouldn't say this is the greatest deal, but I wanted to try it. It's something new that I haven't tried yet, so could not go wrong with that. And then I ended up getting the Nice and Easy hair dye. This was $6.92. I ended up getting a free coupon, and I posted it on my Facebook page a while back ago. Hopefully you guys saw that. But you just click the link, answer some questions, and they'll give you a coupon. It took a while, and then they give you like a hair tie. So I used that coupon, so I got this absolutely free. But then there's also a deal on Ibotta for $2.50. So this became a $2.50 money maker. I love it. I'm sorry. But yeah, $2.50 money maker. So that was my Walmart haul. It wasn't big, but I wanted to show you guys some Ibotta deals. I feel like Ibotta and Walmart aren't getting the greatest deals lately. Like last month was kind of lame, and Target was awesome, and this month it's kind of lame. But I don't know. I am done with level 4, so I'm still gonna show you guys more deals because hopefully you guys can still do some. I don't know if there's 2 more Mondays left or just 1 more Monday left in the week. One more Monday left in the month, so just let you guys know on that. So my total came to $17.42 for everything. I ended up getting $9 back from Ibotta. I got $3 back from Checkout 51. One thing I do like about Checkout 51 is you get your money back pretty fast. They're pretty fast with that. Same thing with Ibotta. Savings Star, sometimes it takes like 24 to 48 hours, which is a little sad. But then I got 75 cents back with Savings Star. And then I also will get points back from Fetch Rewards. I don't know what I'm getting. They have to look into it. So there's that. But if you guys add everything together, it came to $4.67 for everything, which is awesome. I got 8 items, which doesn't seem like a lot, but you know, 8 items for $4.67, I say that's an okay deal. Everything came to be everything came out to be 58 cents a piece. So 58 cents a piece for 8 items. I think that's pretty good. I mean, how often can you be like, yeah, I got laundry detergent for 58 cents? Yeah. But if you guys enjoyed my Walmart Ibotta haul, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. A lot of you guys already have, but subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more Ibotta hauls. A lot of you guys love these. I love sharing deals with you. So I'm just letting you guys know on that. But I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.